How to log into your AMRO credit card account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your AMRO credit card account. ABN AMRO is a prominent Dutch bank. To log into your AMRO credit card account, you will need to go to the official ABN AMRO website. For that, you need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar, you need to type icscars.nl/ABN AMRO. You can also pause this video and copy this keyword. Make sure to enter this correct keyword in order to reach to the official website. Now once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of ABN AMRO. Once you reach to this interface, here as you can see, the current language is Dutch. Here you need to click on this English to translate this language into English. Once you click on it, you can see the words has been translated to English. Now you can close this window by clicking on this crush button at the top. Once doing that, at the top right, you will find this credit card login online option. Go ahead and click on this option, and now you will be redirected to a new page. Once you reach to this page, here you will be presented with the login interface. In this first box, you need to enter your username, and in the second box, you need to enter your password. Make sure you enter the correct password here. You may also click on this remember username option, which is optional if you want your username to be remembered for future logins. And in case if you don't remember your username or password, you may also retrieve them by clicking on this forgot username or password option below. And if you haven't activated your credit card online yet, then you may also click on this activate credit card online option, and from there you can activate your credit card. Also, if you do not have a card yet, you may also apply for the credit card from here by clicking on this apply for one here option at the very bottom. So now if you have entered all the details correctly, click on this continue button, and then you will be able to log into your ABN AMRO credit card account. Once logged in, you can view your credit card details, transactions, and manage your account settings. So by following these steps, you should be able to log into your ABN AMRO credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.